Hello, everyone, and welcome to Calendar for Tuesday. Well, it's not a new week because it's Tuesday. Yesterday, Miss Morrissey taught you some things on calendar. Well, I'm going to teach you some things today. Let's get to it because we have a lot of things to learn. Today is Tuesday, April. Our first team number of this month, 13. Today is Tuesday, April 13th, 2021. Now, this week you're reviewing a lot of your letters and letter sounds. Let's go over our alphabet, say the letter names, and then say some of the sounds that we know. Now, a lot of letters make more than one sound, so we'll try and remember those. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes, let's go over our sounds. This is going to be a little bit slower because some letters have 2, 3 sounds. This is tricky. A says ah or A. B says b. C says k or sometimes s. Are you saying I can't hear you? D says d. E says eh. Or if it's a long E, it says its name. E. Nice catch. Sometimes E is silent. It doesn't say anything. F says F. G says G. H says H. I says I, like itchy. Or it says its name. I. J says J. K says K. L says oh. M says like Thanksgiving dinner. N says mmm. O says aw. Make a O with your mouth. Aw. Or it says its name. O. P says, what does it say? P. Q says qu. R says r. S says s. T says t. U says like I don't know. Or it sometimes says its name, U. That's a long vowel sound. V says ooh, it tickles my lips. W says woof woof, watch, woof woof. X says x, x, x. Y says, what does it say at the beginning of a word? Y. Sometimes when it's at the end, on a one-syllable word, it says I, like buy. If it's at the end of a two-syllable word, like baby, it says E. So Y can say Y, Y can say I, Y can say E. Z says Z. All right, boys and girls, sight words this week. Miss Morrissey, I'm sure, taught you yesterday because she is an excellent teacher. I'm only going to write, actually, I'm going to write a sentence, and I'm going to see if you can underline the sight words. Are you going to write this with me? Okay, it's only one sentence, but it's a question. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 words, but only 2 of them are our sight words this week. Let's read the question. Let's read the question together, and then you can tell me what our sight words are this week. Will you tell me who is okay? Oh my goodness. S sometimes says Z when it's at the end of is. What 2 words are our sight words this week? Will you tell me who is okay? Some of you know. Let's underline them. I'll give you a hint. They start with the same letter. One is capitalized. Oh, the first word, will. Will, and it starts with a W. Which other word starts with a W? Who. Will and who are our sight words this week. If you've been practicing, I think you knew that. Will you tell me who is okay? Will starts with that W sound. Who? That doesn't start with the W sound. So who, you're just going to have to know. All right. Will you tell me who is okay? Are you okay? I hope so. All right. If not, I'm giving you hugs. Now, something else we have been learning this week, well, it's only Tuesday, I don't know if you've learned it yet, is predictions. Do you know what a prediction is? Well, when you're reading a story, or your teacher's reading a story, or your mom is reading you a story, you might have to make a prediction. What comes next? That's what a prediction is. You predict what's going to happen in the future. I predict tomorrow Miss Morrissey is going to teach you calendar. I predict tomorrow it's going to rain. Now, a prediction isn't what happened in the past. You can't predict that it rained yesterday because it already happened. You can't predict what happened on the last page. You have to predict what's going to happen on the next page. I predict in this Magic Treehouse book, Jack and Annie are going to go to old Japan with ninjas. I predict Jack and Annie are going to find an M thing to help Morgan Le Fay. All right. Sometimes your predictions are wrong. That's okay. Sometimes we predict things to use our brain, and it's not what happened. I predict it will be sunny tomorrow. What if it rains? I'm not going to be sad. It's just a prediction. All right, well, last week we ended with a song about frost. And I wasn't going to sing it anymore, but I realized we have a second part, a second verse that we don't know. And I would hate to just not learn it all the way through. So let's sing together. You might want to listen to me sing it first, but don't worry, we'll sing it 2 times. The frost is on the trees, the frost is on the ground, the frost is on the window, the frost is all around. The frost is very icy, the frost is very bright, the frost is very slippery, the frost is very white. Well, now when we say the frost is very bright, and I do this, That means it hurts my eyes because maybe the sun is reflecting off of it or the moon is shining on it and it's making our eyes hurt. All right, let's sing one more time because we only have about 30 seconds left. The frost is on the trees, the frost is on the ground, the frost is on the window, the frost is all around. The frost is very icy, the frost is very bright, the frost is very slippery, the frost is very white. Bye.